Hello friends, something good. Today I'll show you how you can convert picture to PDF on your iPhone. So let's start. I'll try to show you any third-party apps, third-party website. I want to show by default feature. All right. So for example, if you want to any picture you want to save as a PDF. All right. This is the picture. So I will just try to save a PDF. Okay. Then I just tap on this button, left bottom corner. Then showing me any feature. You see, you just tap on print. Okay, there is many option. If you want to print and if you connected any printer, then you can print. Okay, so actually my target is the save on PDF. All right. So you just tap here. There is one icon like after options. Then I just tap here. This is the share option. You see, this photo PDF document. Before it was the PDF, I mean image. Now it will be like PDF. Okay, so now I can just save any specific folder or drive. Then it will be saved like Google Drive, or I can send by email anywhere, and also I can send any specific person on WhatsApp. I last conversation WhatsApp person here. So this is the easy. Also I can save the files option. You see. So it will be saved here also if I tap here. So actually no need the save, that's why I did the save. If you want to PDF then you can do like this. And thanks for the watching. Thank you. Bye bye.